So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone is stuck in headphone only mode. Now what does that actually mean? Well, it basically means that within your particular iPhone, maybe whenever you go and actually play something within your device, it may just accidentally be playing from your headphones, whether wired or Bluetooth, and it might actually think there's wired headphones plugged in or Bluetooth headphones when you're not even using them anymore. Now the main way to go and fix this is, in my personal opinion, is by going in the top right corner and swiping down from the control center. So you can swipe down from the control center just like this. And what you want to look out for is this particular panel. So this now playing panel, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down on this particular display. Now what it's going to allow you to do is it's going to show you a couple things. But right here where it says something like iPhone or something like that, if it's playing a song, you want to find that particular option that shows you something like this. And you can hear change from whatever display or whatever thing you're listening to. So let's say it's saying that you're listening to it from headphones. Well, you can change it from headphones to iPhone, and that will change it from it being in headphone only mode to now being in the regular mode. So that is kind of one way you can do it. Now, if that doesn't seem to be working, or let's say you don't even have any Bluetooth headphones connected and it's still glitching out, well, just make sure your volume's up. So you can pull up or pull down the volume depending on which way you want to go. But what you can also do is go through and basically just, restart your phone. So you can hold down the buttons you normally would, the volume up and power down, button to basically power down your phone, slide the power off, give it a few moments, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. If that doesn't end up doing it, you can also try going through and trying to see if there's an update available for your iPhone as well. So make your way over into your iPhone settings, scroll down to General, scroll into Software Update, and see if there's an update available for your iPhone, and that's another way you can fix this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other problems or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.